I want you to imagine that you have a big treasure, a treasure at your home.
All thanks to this awesome man here.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
I want you to imagine that you have a big treasure, a treasure at your home, but it's locked up. And once you can find this treasure, and once you can have that treasure in your home with you, your life can literally change. You can have anything you want, you can do anything you want, you can enjoy anything you want. And the question that I have for you is that if you knew for a fact that you have a treasure like this at your home, how much time would you find to find that treasure? Well, if you're a smart person, you'd say, I'll just find it, and I'll keep searching for it until I find it, right? And what if instead of finding the treasure after 5 years, what if somebody can come and say, I can help you find that treasure, but I don't want anything in return, and I'll help you find it in 3 days, because I've helped thousands of people find that treasure. It's somebody that you trust, somebody who has a track record, somebody who's very respected. He's known for finding that treasure. Doesn't it make sense, instead of spending 5 years wasting time, doesn't it make sense to get it done in 4 or 5 days with that help? That treasure, my friend, is your confidence. Confidence is that treasure. It's in you, but it's hiding. All you have to do is unlock it. Once you find the way to unlock your confidence, you can have anything you want, you can create anything you want, you can enjoy anything you want. But instead of wasting years and years, get a mentor, somebody who can help you find it sooner. And once you find that treasure, I can tell you that your life is going to be amazing. That's my tip for you right now. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection, it's all about connection.
I'm a man on a mission.